I'm gonna show you how to make money with Clickbank the fastest and the easiest way possible. We're starting right now. Well, what's up guys? My name is John and this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. And if you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing and making money from home, consider subscribing to the channel and click notifications because every single week I deliver fire content on this channel teaching you how to make money with your laptop and an internet connection. So in this video today, I'm actually gonna jump onto my laptop and I'm gonna show you the fastest way to start actually generating money with Clickbank. All right guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video. So majority of you guys that are watching this video probably already have a Clickbank account, but for those that don't, you would just click on this create account button here, put in your information, and it'll generate you an account. You'll have your own unique Clickbank ID. So once you have your Clickbank ID, you can basically go over to the affiliate marketplace. And I'm going to be choosing a product from the e-business and e-marketing category because that's where the make money online products are at, and that's the niche that I promote in. So what we're going to be looking for now is we want to sort by gravity, of course, because we want to see what's converting, what's selling on Clickbank right now, and then we can go hit down and kind of look at some of the products and see which product that we want to promote. So I'm just gonna pick up a random product now. I'm gonna click on this, the CB cash code. You can make $57 per sale here. It looks like it has 53 in gravity, so at least 53 affiliates have sold this product in the last month. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to click on the sales page and I'm going to look at its headline. So it says, I make up to $8,122.24 per day from Clickbank. Find out how to start today in under 5 minutes and 14 clicks. So basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna use the information from the sales page in order to create our mini campaign. So we have the product, we know that it's a high converting product, we know that it's selling. So now how do we actually sell this product? What we're gonna do is create a campaign and we're gonna create a quick squeeze page, and then we're gonna find targeted traffic to actually send to that squeeze page and then redirect them to this actual sales page. And then we're gonna follow up with them in some automated follow-up messages that you're not even gonna have to create. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So now I'm actually in my ClickFunnels account, and what we're gonna do here is we're going to actually create a quick and dirty squeeze page to sell our product, the CB cash code. And we're basically just gonna use the information that we saw on the sales page to generate our squeeze page. So I have a template here. You can actually kind of see an example of what it looks like here. Very basic, very simple. And I'll just let you guys know these types of squeeze pages are converting very well now. Just very simple, very basic, not all the flashy stuff, just a quick message and an opt-in box. So this is what we're gonna be using, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this page. And what we're going to do again is, like I said, we're gonna use the information that's actually on here. So it says, I make up to $8,122.24 with Clickbank. And it says, find out how you can start today in under 5 minutes and 14 clicks. So basically I'm gonna use that almost exact subject line. So let's just type this in. How to... All right, so I've actually put in the headline that I found on the sales page, and it reads, how to make up to $8,122.24 per day with Clickbank. Find out how in just 5 minutes and 14 clicks. And I actually changed this to say, send me the free video. And we can go ahead and preview it to see what it looks like. And you can see that it's currently online and it looks decent. You can play with it a little bit more to try to make it a little bit more prettier. But the fact is that you really just need the message there, the headline, because it's proven to convert. We saw it on Clickbank that over 53 affiliates have sold it this month. So this product is selling. It is proven proven to be converting. So why not just use the information that is given to us on their actual sales page and use that to create our campaign. So now that we have our squeeze page, we have our product, then we have to actually get some traffic to this actual website. We need to get some traffic to this website so we can get people to opt in so that we can build our list, and then that they can be redirected to the sales page, right? So the way we're gonna be getting traffic is we're gonna be buying solo ads from udemy.com. So this is gonna be one of the fastest ways you can actually start getting targeted fast traffic to that squeeze page that we just set up literally in 2 minutes, right? So what we're gonna do here, once you get into Udemy, you just create an account. It's absolutely free. And what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you click on this, once you sign in, you wanna go over to find sellers. You click that. And then you want to go over to make sure it says marketing, because these are going to be, you know, the make money online business opportunity niches. And then you want to click on this button because you want to find solo ad rate sellers that had at least 100+ ratings. So I go ahead and put that. And then where it says money here, you want to see like what solo ad sellers have actually generated sales for individuals that they've sold solo ads to. So I usually like to pick somewhere between 10 and 20%. So let's just go at 20% for 10% for the purpose of this video. So that means that from all the people that have bought solos from them, like 10% of them have said, hey, I've made some sales. You can even go up, let's just go up to 20%. And then we're gonna look at, you know, solo ad providers that will sell us solos between 35 cents and let's just say 55 cents, right? And then we wanna see, you can leave the clicks. This just depends on how many visitors you want. So if you wanted 100 visitors, you would just click that. And then it basically will adjust as you do all this sorting and sifting. And now you have a good list of people that you can actually start looking at and determine which one of these people that you want to purchase from. So what you would then do is you would then look at basically their profiles. You can actually see where their traffic is coming from. You can see it here, it says 90% top tier. You can read about their testimonials. You know, they'll have like the different people that I bought from them. They'll give it, you know, thumbs up or thumbs down if they made sales, if they did not make sales, if they got over delivery of clicks. And basically you're just gonna come in here and you just want to purchase, you know, as many clicks as you can. So like for instance, if you wanted 100 clicks from this Mark Sullivan guy, it's on 100 and he's charging, so it would be $49 for 100 clicks. And you would just add to cart, you can pay with PayPal, and then they'll contact you and say, hey, I'm gonna start sending out your solo tomorrow or today, whenever they can actually schedule the solo ad. So that's how you're actually gonna get traffic to your website. Now, once they have opted into your page, right? So they're gonna opt in here. They're then going to see the presentation here. They're gonna see the product. So some are gonna buy, some are not. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue to follow up with those individuals that have opted into our squeeze page, right? So what you're gonna wanna do is you can go back to the Clickbank, and then you wanna click on like their JV page. And when you click on that, typically these JV page will give you email follow-up series. So then you could take these emails that they have here. So this guy has 14 emails in here that you can basically just swipe, right? You can just swipe the emails and you can adjust the headlines if you want, or adjust some of the copy in here if you want. But essentially you can just copy and paste. Make sure you put your affiliate link, your actual Clickbank link, and then you can actually load up your autoresponder, right? And then you can load up those 14 emails with your messages that you got from the website here. So take these messages again and load them up into your autoresponders so that you have now 14 follow-up messages that you can actually try to maximize sales for all those individuals that are coming through your sales funnel. So let me go over this really quick so that I'm very clear to you guys. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Clickbank and you're gonna find a high converting product. You're going to then take the information from the sales page of that product. You're going to create a squeeze page with the information in ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, whatever you guys are using, Optimize Press, whatever squeeze page software you're using. You're just going to use this same information that you found on the sales page, and you're going to put it here, right? Then you're going to take that squeeze page and make sure you put in your autoresponder information and get it redirected to the sales page. Then you're going to go buy traffic to send to this actual squeeze page. You're going to go buy traffic at udemy.com. Make sure you use those criteria that we just talked about. And then you're going to buy as many clicks as you can afford. And then you're going to then take those follow-up emails that you saw here, those 14 emails, and you're going to load them up into your autoresponder, and then you're going to automatically have those emails going out day after day after day after day. And another thing that you can actually do is once those 14 days are completed, you can basically go back to Clickbank and you can find another product, another affiliate product, and find their follow-up emails, and then you can add those to the end of after the 14th email. So say you find another product in here that has another 10 follow-up emails, so you can start promoting a different product. Just as you finish that 14-day follow-up, you can start another follow-up series by promoting another product, and you would just basically start that process over and over and over again, and you can pick as many products as you want, and you can build this massive follow-up series of multiple different Clickbank products with all the follow-ups, and that's how you're going to start generating fast and easy sales. And once you start doing this process, once you start feeding people into the front of the funnel, into that squeeze page, you're going to get a lot of leads, and then you're going to have all the follow-ups because all the information is here in Clickbank, and you're going to start seeing those sales come in. And this is the easiest and the fastest way without trying to be super creative and do a ton of lead magnets and create your own content videos. If you want to just get a campaign up and running, this is the quickest and the fastest way to do it. And it actually works very well. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope all that made sense. If you have any questions about it, you can actually leave it in the comment section. Hit that like button if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.